Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quantsap. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 18,092, 124 points down was Nifty Futures, 0.68% down. 0.47% down was Nifty Bank, 41,731, 195 points down, essentially. So we are seeing quite a bit of jump in SGX Nifty, indicating 340 points down jump in the Nifty as such. So SGX futures are quoting at thereabouts of 18,430, 435 range. So clearly, I mean, that is pointing to a substantial move on the higher side. Looking at the Nifty charts, 18,400 expected open, 18,500, 19,000. Major supports being 18,000 and 17,800. Well, yesterday we witnessed some amount of shorts coming into the system. Again, today we are opening gap up probably. So let's see how that pans out during the day. Looking at the Nifty OI picture, we are seeing a massive writing at around 19,000. So the call strike, which has the maximum OI, is the 19,001. Intermittently, we have 18,700 as a major hurdle as such. So that's the scenario. On the lower side, 18,000 and 17,800 are the major put OIs. So that's going to be the supports. Now looking at the Bank Nifty. Again, Bank Nifty will open probably 200, 300 points higher side. So 42,000, 42,500 major resistances, 41,500 and 41,000 major support. Looking at the build-ups, again, we saw some amount of long unwinding yesterday. But then on an overall basis, the shorts which are there in the system are marginal. And we are seeing some amount of longs which were shared yesterday. So let's see how that pans out during the day today. Probably there could be an addition of longs coming in. 42,000, as I pointed out, is a stiff level on the higher side. On the lower side, it's 41,500, which is going to be the major support zone as per the put OI. Top gainers and losers. Godrej Properties, Lupin, Motherson. Top gainers. Oro Pharma, Deepak Nitrite, Ramco Cement are the top losers. On index contribution, what we see is essentially 22 points negative contribution from auto, 18 points negative contribution from NBFCs, 20 points negative contribution from oil, and marginal positive contribution from telecom, which is 3.59 points. 0.32 points positive contribution from fertilizer. So that's really marginal positive contribution. Much of the contribution has been on the negative side. Well, looking at the built-up sectorally, auto ancillary infra on the long side, auto, Bank Nifty stocks, cap goods, cement on the short side. So we have a stock called Lal Path Labs. It could be under pressure, this counter on the breakdown of 2200. I think the major litmus test is going to be 2200. And 2185 is the next major support. On the higher side, you have 2300 and 2350 as major resistances. Looking at the OI picture, again, we are seeing shorts coming into the system as far as Lal Path Labs are concerned. Looking at the major supports, so you have 2,300, 2,200 as a major support zone, 2,200. And as I pointed out, breakdown of that, only one a bearish tinge could start on Lal Path Lab. On the higher side, 2,400 and 2,500 are the major levels, hurdles as such. The other stock which is on the radar is HDFC Life. Again, this could be under pressure on a breakdown of 520, 515, 520 range. So that's the thing. The next major level is 500. On the higher side, 540, 550 range is the resistance point, which is to be considered a pivotal resistance point. Intermittently, 535 is the moving average, which you can see. And then moving on, you have PNB, which is in the band list. So we have HDFC Life, 535, 550 as the major resistances, 515 and 500 as the major support, and Lal Path Labs, 2250 as the major support, 2185 as the next major support, 2350, 2400 as the major resistances. PNB is in the band list. Looking at Nifty trading range, we see 18,000, 17,800 as the two major levels on the lower side, 18,500, 19,000 as the major levels on the higher side. Rest we've already discussed. And before I wrap up, I would like to highlight to you, please follow a strict stop loss while trading in derivatives, and please consult your financial advisor before moving ahead, right? And please follow strict stop losses as per your risk appetite. Please, that's imperative there. That's it from my side. Wish you happy trading. Thank you.